Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to hide your Wi-Fi signals from unwanted devices. My mobile phone is connected to my Wi-Fi network named MyNet. To hide your Wi-Fi network from unwanted mobile devices, in web browser, type IP address of your Wi-Fi router. Here type admin and password, which are mostly admin by default. In stats, you can see currently connected and blocked devices. You can easily block or unblock any device. Now go to settings and then Wi-Fi network settings. Here disable the broadcasting of SSID. Do you notice? As I disabled SSID broadcast, the Wi-Fi network on my mobile phone is disappeared. Now how to connect to this hidden network? For this, open Wi-Fi and click Add Network button. Here type exact SSID and password. The device is successfully connected and the network is successfully hidden from unwanted devices. Now don't forget to like, share and subscribe.